turns filter into SEO power. Use clean permalinks, readable URLs, and smart prefix control so search engines can understand every filter page. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Product Filters. The first option is Form Manage. Scroll down until you see the URL filter type. The first option is Query String. Select Query String, then click Save Changes. Then visit the shop page and apply a filter. With query string, filter appears after the question mark in the URL. Now go back and from here, open SEO and Permalink Setup tab. Here is the first option, use attribute type in Permalinks if you disable this option, and click Save Changes. And now if you visit the shop page and do any filter, then you can see our filter URL has become more shorter. Select the filter URL with Permalinks and click Save Changes. Then again visit the shop page, clear the filter and reload the page. Now let's again filter with rating star. With Permalinks, the URL looks cleaner and more readable. If you want to change the words used inside those filtered URLs, then go back to Plugin Dashboard and from here, click SEO and Permalink Setup. Here you can change the Permalink prefixes. Let's change the category prefixes. Let's make it category. Click Save Changes. Go back to shop page. Now let's apply the category filter. Now your filter URL uses your custom prefix. And if you don't want prefixes at all, so you need to go back to Plugin Dashboard and from here you need to disable the Permalink option. Then you need to click Save Changes. Now if you filter with again category, now your filter URLs become even shorter. The format changes depending on whether you use query string or permalinks. This is how filtered URL types work. Choose query string or permalink, customize prefixes if you want, or disable prefixes for cleaner links.